Hey box fans, how you doing? We're back with a very special episode this week. Very requested episode. A lot of people are asking me, when are you gonna do glue? How do you make your glue? When are you gonna have an episode about glue? Well, here we are. A very special glue episode. To start, whenever you're working with glues, especially homemade glues, you want to be in a well-ventilated area. And that's why I'm working outside today. In my box projects, I like to use homemade glue. I think that you can get better results and better consistency if you make your own glue, and you'll just come out with a finer finished product in the end. I like to start with my glue base, and I usually create that from a variety of glues. So what you're going to need is, I have here Elmer's Glue All, and then some of Aleene's Fast Grab Tacky Glue, and then some of Aleene's Original Tacky Glue. Get yourself a paper coffee filter. That's what we'll use to create our glue base. Let's see, and just kind of smush down a base right there. I like to use equal parts Elmer's Fast Grab Tacky and Original Tacky. So we encountered our first obstacle here. Looks like, whoa, we don't want that to get away. Looks like our Elmer's glue is a little bit stuck up at the top, so we're gonna unscrew that guy and just pour in a little bit of Elmer's here. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Make sure. A little bit more. Now that we're done with the Elmer's, we can use that as glue stand. And we'll just put in a little bit of this tacky tack. Okay, we got that bad boy open. Now we're just gonna pour a little bit of the extra grab in. That's looking good. Okay. Put the cap back on there. And now, just a little bit of the original tacky. Okay, that's probably good. Okay, now that we have a good glue base, this is where the fun part begins. I like to use a little bit of Bar Harbor clam juice. If you've ever wondered why clams stick together so good, right here. Okay, we just opened up this clam juice. Let me just give it a quick smell. Okay. Yeah, that's definitely clam juice. So I like to put in about 3 tablespoons. And then just kind of mix that up until you kind of want to emulsify the glue into the juice. Yeah, this is, ooh. This is looking good. Okay, make sure you don't tear the bottom. Okay, I think that's pretty well emulsified. Okay, so now that we got our glue base emulsified with the clam juice, this is my secret ingredients: turmeric and smoked paprika. You add the turmeric and smoked paprika to give it that good cardboard color. And be really plentiful with this stuff. You almost want it pasty. Whoa, we almost had a spill. Looking pretty good here. See, when you're making the color, if you want it to be more yellow, add more turmeric. If you want it to be more brown, add more smoked paprika. We want it to be a little bit more brown. Almost there. This is starting to redden up a little bit. I think we are just about there. Okay, so we have our finished glue mixture here, and I have a sample box here. This is an LL Bean that I'm going to be gluing the end seam back to the side seams here. Let's just, I'll show you how I apply. Yeah, that's a fairly good color match, I have to say. I like applying manually, using my fingers. I think it gives you a better level of control and accuracy and consistency, and just a better finished product. Okay, it looks like our application is complete. Let me just make some room. We will seal this up. And we'll leave something heavy on it. And we'll let that sit for about 2 to 3 hours, and we'll come back to it and see how well it's holding. So it is now 3 hours later, and we're ready to see how our glue is held up. Yes, this seems very sturdy. Adhesion is very good. I would call this a successful glue job. Now, it looks like we did not have any seepage, and but if we did have any seepage, that's why we colored the glue the nice cardboard brown. But we got lucky this time. Okay, box fans, thanks for watching.